Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another crochet braid video. We are going to be installing these 24-inch passion twist. And thank you so much to Karida hair for sponsoring today's video. So these twists are in the color T1B30. You get a pack of 6. And this is the pre-twisted passion twist hair in 24 inches. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you guys. For this style, I went ahead and did 12 cornrows. So I have 12 going straight back, and then I just connected them one into the other to just hook them in the back. In this crochet braid pack, you do get a crochet latch hook if that's what you like to use. I personally like to use a beater, so that's what I did. I use that for every crochet braid style that I do. You can pick those up from your beauty supply store, like in the front where the beads and stuff are. You can get it from Amazon, Walmart. Super easy to use. Highly recommend it because it does not snag your hair. For this style, all you're gonna do is put the beater underneath the braid, and then you'll put the twist in the little loop, pull it through, and then that's it. You only need to do this one time, so it's super quick and easy. You get 7 packs. I actually only used 6. I definitely could have gone in and added in some more, but the weight was already enough for me. This style is a little bit on the heavy side, so just keep that in mind if you do want to wear this, but it is super quick and easy. This style literally took me maybe an hour to install, so if you're looking for something really fast, something super quick, like you could just braid your hair up real quick and then put these twists on top and you're done. You want to make sure that you space these out at least 2 finger widths apart, maybe even like 2.5-ish, and then go in and add in the extra twist where you feel like you need to based on the spacing. You don't want to just put them super close together because for one, it's going to be really heavy, and for two, girl, you're probably going to run out of twist. So definitely make sure that you space them apart. You can always go back in later and add in some extra ones. This is the final result. I think it came out super pretty. These twists are very long. You guys can see they come all the way down to my butt. You guys definitely be sure to let me know what you think of this style in the comment section down below. Would you wear this style? Do you like the color? Of course, everything is going to be linked in the description box. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Turn post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!